This is Science Week 34, Day 4, and the learning target today is that I can design a device that converts one form of energy to another. So what you're imagining here is that this house has a water heater attached to its roof. So water is heated by the sun. And this allows the people in the house to have warm water without using electricity or gas. So your job is to look at the boxes down below and decide whether the solar water heater helps or does not help the household do these tasks. So does the water heater filter or clean the water? Does it warm up the water? Does it store the water? Does it provide electricity for lights? And you will take those check marks at the side and put them in the correct box, whether it helps or does not help. Same scenario on the next page. And what you need to do is select 3 conditions that are necessary for the solar water heater to be successful. So your options are be in an area with a lot of sunlight, must match the building's appearance, must be in an area with no tree shading it, must be in an area that does not experience many earthquakes, or must be in an area close to the ocean. So those are the things you're going to examine there. There are your 3 check marks that you're going to mark your 3 conditions. The next page, what are 3 potential problems with using a solar water heater to provide warm water to your household? Again, you have the option of having these things read to you, so you can listen to that, and your 3 check marks are to the side that you can. Lastly, you can watch the teacher video and check your answers.